Alright, welcome to this quick project show off. Just gotta show off my this project because kind of proud of it, of course. So it's just like a single simple program that's supposed to help you with like projects. So I'll show off like the different features. Here's the commands, of course. Um, I'll show the first mode off, so you can get Notepad up, and the first one is just like a value calculation, but it's not like a normal calculator because you can just have in the background, right? I'm supposed to be typing here, you can see that it types in Notepad, but if I type numbers like this big ass number plus this big ass number plus times it by let's say like 40, right? Enter, and it copies it or like it outputs the result in here. And it can be useful if like you got some field like in C sharp if you're making I don't know whatever like a box, right? And you have a field but you can't do calculations in the field and you don't want to tab out to Google Chrome, you can just quickly, do the shortcut and then you can calculate the field. Or you can just calculate the wherever you want to calculate, right? So, this is the next mode, which is like more of it's a work in progress. It's very basic right now, but it allows you to go X amount of times right with the cursor. So let's say like 5 times, and it goes five I guess letters right, and I'll make it later so you can choose direction, and you can also make so you can select um if you can select it if it will like select it. So if he'll hold down shift on that, so if I move this whilst holding shift, it selects all of it, and if I don't hold shift, it doesn't select it. I don't even know if it picks up in the video. Anyways, the next mode, well, it's not really a mode, it's literally just settings, which I'll show the way the settings are stored because I'm kind of proud of that as well. So, settings menu, pretty simple, I guess. The whole menu system is on my GitHub as well. Most of the things on here that you can see on different projects in GitHub, some of them are like back end, you could say, I guess, like arrays, custom arrays and stuff like that. But this one is more the front end one, so you can see it. So you can turn off show cursor, save, and as you can see, there's no cursor. So if I press H, you don't see it. And just if you guys didn't notice, it shows here, you can now see it and it's stored here as well. So if I close this because, I don't need it, here's the, I guess, parameters. Obviously, I'm going to add more settings later. I can't think of any right now to add. I'm trying to make it as much as customizable as you can. And I'm saving the options here because first of all, it's, efficient. And second of all, if you want to send to your friends, you can just copy paste this and the file, wherever, and it does that. Another cool thing is that it has a custom font, kind of. It is like the basic console font like this. You'll see it's not much different, but the loading screen, which is, well, it's very quick right now because there's not that many options, but there's one at the very beginning, which, for setup, like if the settings become really big for some reason, or you have a slow computer, it will just show you a loading screen just so you know it's not frozen. And I need the custom font because some characters for the loading screen to make it look nice don't exist in the normal console font. So I just made my own, and I'm pretty sure I saved somewhere to make it. I'll probably put it on my website if I decide to fully develop it, which might take knowing me a couple years. But yeah, that's basically it. That's the whole program. Uh, yeah, it's on my GitHub as well. I'll probably link it in the video description just so people can check out if they think it's cool. It's public, so you can was it commit to it, you can add to it, whatever. Goodbye.